Julia and welcome back to another LPS video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys all of our G4 or G5s, whatever you call them, LPS. I am so sorry for not posting last Saturday. It was just super crazy and I actually wanted to do this video last week, but it was just super crazy. Anyways, let's just get into the video.
And she's like super cute. I got her for Christmas and I just love her. And her brown eyes are just so cute. Especially since in the older generation, you actually can't find that many LPS with brown eyes. And if you guys are interested in the app, then you can just scan this code from your device, right from this video. So yeah, this next one is this cute little key, and this one's Elena's, and it's just super cute. Again, here's the scanner code. I just really love her, and I think she's just so cute. And she's a mommy and baby, and she's just so amazing. This next one is this cute little fox, and this one's also a mommy and baby, and I believe she's like a special edition or something. I'm not sure, but she's just super amazing. I love her so much. Her fur color really reminds me of like the ocean or like seashells, and I just really love her. Okay, here's one that I don't love so much, and this is Honeymoon. What even is that? What even is that? I didn't know I like disgusting nails, but that is really good. But yeah, she's like crying with her really sad face. That's one. Then we have this cute little penguin with his little hat on. I really wish it was removable, but unfortunately it isn't. His eyes are just super cute, and he's just so awesome. Then we have this cute. There we go. And she is just super cute. She's got some sparkles. But she's got a little defect over here. But she's still super cute. I just love her makeup, and that's just like my favorite part about her is her makeup around her eyes. She's super cute. Here is this little platypus, and I think this one's really cute. It's one of my favorite color combinations, like the blue with the yellow is just so cute, and I love how the eyes like pop out off the pants, and like the blue is very dark, and you get like this really bright yellow. And here's this next one, which when I saw her, I seriously like fell in love with her. Most of these guys actually have defects. I don't know if that's because like they just weren't taken care of in the factories or something, but my older LPS don't have that many defects compared to these ones. These ones are just like very damaged, and I don't even use them that often. I mostly just display them, so I don't know why they have that many defects, but they do. But otherwise, she's super cute, and I really love her. This next one is this cute little poodle, and she came with a limo, and her head's filled really easily, which is kind of funny, but as you can see, it just like wants to go backwards. I have no idea why, but she's super cute. I love her pose. It looks like she's like singing or something, but super cute. As you can see, all my LPS in general are basically dogs because I love dogs. Dogs are amazing, and I just love them so much. I actually have a puppy, and she's super cute. But anyways, this one is so adorable. Again, with the yellow eyes, it just pops out on the dark colors, which I absolutely love. I love her expression. It's like, don't look too much at me, I'm so fancy, or something. I don't know, she's just so cute. So guys, let me just say that please don't say in the comments like we're spoiled and we have a lot, because honestly, I don't even have that money, and I spend with my own money, like all my birthday money and stuff I earn and have. So all of it's from my own money, unless my parents help me with it, like as a present or a gift. But most of them I actually buy with my own money. And
make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!